How is it going, you guys? Today we are getting ready for tapping. We got some great weather coming up this week, and last minute I'm gonna cut down a dead tree that's been dead for a couple of years, so it's been drying out quite nicely, and we'll cut that down and get some wood for this whole shindig. If this content helps you out at all, I would appreciate it if you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We create new content every week, and it really helps our channel out as we grow our homestead, and we'd love to have you grow with us. Haven't really used the old Remington in a while, so let's knock the dust off and get going. So that one right there is dead. That's the first one we're gonna do, and see how much wood it gets us. Man, stupid me. I didn't even realize that my GoPro had stopped recording right when we dropped this tree. It wasn't the biggest tree in the world, but it's always cool to see a tree drop. All right, so I just got the tree all cut up into pieces that I can carry, not too heavy. We'll get it up there. I'll split them down to length, and then we'll start splitting them. So I figured I would snowblow a little path, because carrying a whole tree up to the area around the deck where it's all nice and snowblown, it's a little hard, so make it a little bit easier. We're about halfway done. Let's knock out the last base portion of this tree, then we'll see if we can get splitting. I really should have done this during the summer when I could like walk through here. Would have been a good idea, but we don't really have any wood storage yet, so I figured letting it dry standing was the best idea. Man, I feel like I'm talking like super slow. Maybe it's because I'm like super thirsty. Should probably just get some water, and breathing heavy from carrying stuff back and forth. I feel like I talk too fast sometimes. Bam! All right, guys, borrowed a wood splitter. Thank you, Keith, for dropping that off. I appreciate you letting us use it. Let's get this thing done, get this wood chopped. It's starting to storm. It's supposed to pick it up in a few hours, so we got to split this wood, get it stacked and covered, and then we got to tap our trees because tomorrow it's supposed to be around 40 degrees. So let's get this done. So that saved me a lot of time. But now we got to stack this, and as you can see, it's starting to pick up. We don't really have a spot to put it under, so I am going to just stack it up on the side of the shed right here. That way it's easy to access when we're boiling right out here tomorrow, hopefully.
Okay guys, we are going to be tapping our trees for the first time, so it's going to be so awesome. Guys, it's so cold. Okay. Whoa. The snow is all fresh. It's getting hard to walk in. So this is one of our trees we are going to be sapping. First thing we do is put the bucket down. Okay.
All right, guys, time to get tapping. I don't have a special bit, so what we just did was tape this off 1.5 inches. I think we have around 14 trees we're gonna go try to do this afternoon, so let's get this knocked out.
So this is the hole. So put the sap in from the hole, and then you put the other end of this into the hole of the bucket.
Easy as that. What do we say, Kai? On to the next one?
On to the next one!
Let's go.
We're going to the tree that is over there, so let's go. How you doing, Wesley? Good, thank you.
Go around the other way.
I'm gonna go around the other way. It's easier. It's so cold. Well, not really cold, it's just so snowy.
So this is our first time tapping. Earlier, before it started dropping all of its leaves, we went around and marked basically every tree we wanted to tap. That's why we have the yellow one here. So Kai's gonna do this one, okay? Mm-hmm. Hold this. You're gonna do it at a slight angle.
So,
about that, yep. Okay, go for it. Push a little bit. Pull it out. Just a little bit. Push it in. Keep going. All the way in, yep. All the way, keep going. Okay, stop, pull it out. Okay.
And now I'm gonna put this tap in. It's my first time doing this.
First time tapping. Wow.
Well, I've done it in kindergarten before, but I never got to put.
So we got to push it in all the way.
And also,
You just got to make it. You didn't get to tap it,
oh,
right?
yeah.
Okay, so let's grab a bucket behind you.
And I'm the taste tester to taste the tap because it has to take it because I tasted the tap in kindergarten as well.
Grab the bucket. We need a lid. A lot of snow. It's about to start coming down, so I'm gonna try to knock this out.
We have 14 trees to go. Done.
Tap the edges.
Now we put this blue thing in this. I don't think it's working yet. There we go. Come on. There. It's just gonna blue. I'm gonna be the one finding the next yellow tree.
There's a.
Go.
Come on, bub. There's one right over there. I'll meet you over there by the pathway.
Okay.
Wait for Wesley.
Come on, Wesley. Come on. Let's go, Wesley.
Over here, bubbies.
Come on, Bubby. Wesley, walk this way. I'll go with you. Come on. Trying to help my sister out. She ain't even let me. Come on, Wesley. Hi, I'm walking. Are you walking? Let's go then. We found our tree, and they beat us. Dad, do you have the straw thing?
No, not yet.
Okay, I'm gonna get our stuff. So, there's straw thing. Now I'm gonna get them their cap. Boom.
I can bring over the thing.
Here's your cap,
Okay, can you get a bucket for us?
and
Okay.
here's your straw. Here. Let's get this bucket, Weston. Go, go. Bucket.
Push it. Okay. Bucket's good. And we need our lid, right?
Yeah.
Here, let me make it. You did a very good job. Here.
It's Sophia's first time tapping it, so yeah. I hope there's any tapping there.
Hey,
Right. Let's go. Dad, I want to do that side.
Sharky's coming here to do it. Okay, come on.
You got a bucket, Dad?
No, I don't have a bucket. Okay?
Let's get our stuff, people. So let's get them a straw. That in the bucket. Let's get them a cap. Very important. We have to put a cap in it so the snow doesn't get in the sap. It tastes like bleh.
Okay, can you give me a tap?
No sap.
Go grab a blue. Here comes Bub. Come on, Bub. Can you record, Kai?
Sure. So this is Weston's first time tapping his tree. What do you say, Weston? Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Kylie's gonna tap this one herself. Probably about right there. Don't change the angle. Okay, go. Okay. Okay. You know what to do.
I'm gonna put this in. Do I put it in all the way down?
Yep, push it hard.
That good?
There we go.
And I'm gonna push it in the hole.
There you go. Looks good.
We have little Miss Snow Eaters over here. Yeah, they ate snow. And Dad, your leg's wet right here. I want to see the wet leg. Wet leg. Wet leg. Dad, stop.
Help her up.
Wet leg.
All right, guys, so we just got 14 trees tapped. They're not all sugar maples, but we're working with what we have on our property, and I think it's going to be a fun experience for the kids, and me too. I've never done it. It seems pretty fun and a cool little family thing to do. I have to give a shout out though to the beautiful Miss, who's been crushing it with the kids. A lot of stuff going on, all the sports, homeschool, regular school, 4 rompers running around. I don't say thank you enough. So we're not pro tappers, it's our first time, so we're not trying to give professional advice. We're just trying to show you what we're doing for our first time, and maybe, you know, this is something you want to do too. You know, we chose the poly and the buckets. I think it's the most logical thing. Yes, the metal buckets do look old school, but these are efficient and it holds more sap. So, sorry. Let's get back up there. If this content helps you out at all, I would appreciate it if you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We create new content every week, and it really helps our channel out as we grow our homestead, and we'd love to have you grow with us.